Hi, you guys. Welcome to OCC Talk. So, this is the last part of the paragraph. It's not really called a body, it's called the conclusion because this is it. This is the last part. So, you actually wrapping it up. This is the last thing your readers will read. This is the stamp. You're sealing the deal. And I wanted to mention there's another part of I remember I told you there are argument paragraphs and there are persuasion paragraphs, but there are also information paragraphs where you're just basically giving information on something. Okay, so you're wrapping it up with all your bodies in your conclusion. So you might take something from each paragraph, from each point. So in this one, we have 3. So you're going back in your paragraphs and reading them, and you're going to give it in the conclusion. But you're not repeating the same words. You don't want repetition. So you might go back to paragraph and read it all over again, and then you go put it back in the conclusion. But remember, you're not repeating the same thing you say in your body. So whatever you might not have in paragraph 1, you might read it again and say, oh, well, I didn't read it, so let me summarize it, but with different wording. Different wording. So in paragraph 1, you may have said something, but you might, oh, well, I didn't say this. And you might say, well, visiting Jamaica will be amazing. That might not be in paragraph 1, but you got that from paragraph 1 from reading it. I can't wait for my trip. Just taking in the sights. Just taking in the sights might not be in paragraph 1, but that's what you got. So you're going to go ahead and put that in your conclusion. Moving on to paragraph 2, body 2. The S Hotel won my heart and it's low in price, but that's what you got from reading paragraph 2. And it also could be from your research. Put research in there as well. Okay, from researching. And don't forget to throw in your fluff. That's extra sentences. It extends the paragraphs. And also paragraph 3, body 3, with the excursions. I can't wait to get there to try extra excursions after I try my 2. Our 2 was horseback riding and deep sea diving. But don't also forget to reinstate your thesis statement. Now, you're not repeating your thesis statement, okay? You're reinstating. So that means you're going to say almost the same thing, but with different wording. So our first thesis statement was, in my paper, readers will discover why I want to go to Jamaica. The S Hotel is the place to be, and Jamaica have the best excursions. Well, in your conclusion, you're going to find out a way to say that a different way. In my conclusion, they will discover my excitement to get to Jamaica, to lay on the beach at the S Hotel and try an excursion. It will all be worth it. That is how you seal the deal with the conclusion. It is your stamp. And we just did the thesis statement. See how it sounded the same but different? When you see one, teach one. Bye, you guys.